In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change exposure on a camera on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. On an iPhone, we are able to configure exposure to make our photos brighter or darker. To change the exposure in photo mode, tap right here at that icon and that will show you that tools. Then tap right here at that icon and then you will be able to adjust the exposure. We can move it right to make photos brighter, or we can move it to the left to reduce the exposure and make photos darker. To control the exposure on a video mode, first off switch to video, and then in the same way we can tap right here at that icon, tap at exposure icon, and then we can adjust the exposure on a video in the same way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.